In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI to create a website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone who's never written a line of code, Lovable AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for turning your web project ideas into reality. So let's dive in and walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Lovable Dev. Once you're there, sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, ensuring that you can get started without any hassle. By joining, you unlock the full range of features that Lovable AI has to offer, setting the stage for your creative process. Now that you have your account ready, the next step is to describe your website idea in plain language. Think of this step as having a conversation with a friend about what you want your website to do. Be as detailed or as simple as you like. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business landing page, or an e-commerce platform. This description helps the AI understand your vision and what you're hoping to achieve. With your idea clearly outlined, the AI gets to work. Lovable AI will generate the necessary code for your website using popular frameworks like React for interactivity, Tailwind for styling, and optionally Supabase if you need back-end features such as authentication. The AI handles the technical heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your site's content and design without worrying about complex programming tasks. After the initial setup is done, it's time to customize your site. Lovable's visual editor makes this step incredibly easy and intuitive. You can tweak the design, layout, and even the underlying logic according to your needs. The editor offers features like undo, version history, and visual guides, so you can experiment with different styles and functionalities without fear of making irreversible changes. This flexibility ensures that your site looks and behaves exactly how you envision it. Once your website looks perfect, it's time to share it with the world. Lovable AI provides multiple options for deployment. You can use the direct publish feature for an immediate launch or push your changes to GitHub if you prefer to manage your site through version control. Alternatively, you can export the code to host it manually. These options give you the freedom to choose what best fits your project's hosting needs. And there you have it, a full-fledged website ready to go live in just a few simple steps. Lovable AI streamlines the web creation process, empowering you to bring your ideas to life with ease and efficiency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.